Hi everyone, welcome back to SK SecOps channel. So today we will be understanding what is GitHub. So GitHub is a web-based platform. So what exactly mean by this web-based platform? Web-based platform is a online service which provides web interface, which is nothing but user interface, where developers can store and manage their code, and even they can track changes and collaborate on projects. Just like in this image, developers from different locations are pushing their code to a central GitHub repository, making teamwork smooth and efficient. So it supports both open source and enterprise software development with over 100 million developers and 420 million repositories. Without GitHub, developers face a major risk. If their system crashes and there's no backup or version control, all their work will be permanently lost. That's why it's better to store your code in a central place like GitHub. Let us understand some of the important features of GitHub. So the first feature is version. Think of versions as snapshot of your project at different points in time. This allows you to see what changed, when it changed, and who made those changes. If something breaks, no problem. You can easily roll back to previous working version. So what are branches? Branches let you to work on different features simultaneously without affecting your main code base. If you want to develop a new feature, create a branch. Want to fix any bug? You can create another branch. So each branch is like a parallel universe. So other feature is pull request. It's a formal way to propose any code changes, enabling the team to review and feedback before merging into main branch or main code base. So what is cloud storage? It's an online secure storage for your code that enables access from anywhere. You can take automatic backups, and also it provides seamless collaboration. So what are these projects? So it's a built-in task management tools to track issues, assign work, and monitor progress across your development workflow. Let us see other important feature, which is CI/CD. So in GitHub, CI/CD is almost equivalent to GitHub Actions. So these are automated systems that test your code and deploy it to production when changes are made, reducing errors and speeding up development. So other important feature is host static websites. So this feature is perfect for project documentation, portfolio sites, or simple web application. Just a few clicks, your code can be transformed into a live website accessible to anyone on the internet. Let us look into some additional features as well. So the one is collaboration. So repos make teamwork easy. So you can tag people, leave comments, and share workspaces. So everyone stays on the same page, no matter where they are. So other feature is clone. Clone lets you copy a repo to your computer. You get all the code and history. So you can play around without touching the original. So other important feature is code review. So what I exactly mean by this code review? So before you merge any code, teammates can review it, give feedback, and catch bugs. It keeps code clean and helps everyone learn from each other. So fork is to make a copy of someone else's repo under your account. Great for trying out changes or contributing to open source projects. So you can automate tasks like tagging issues, assigning reviewers, or closing stale requests. With automation, it saves time and keep things running smoothly. And the last additional feature is security. Repositories now help to protect your code with tools like vulnerabilities, scans, access controls, and secret detection to prevent leaks and breaches. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you really like this video, please click on the subscribe button and also on the bell icon for further notification. Thank you so much.